I was skeptical at first, but it actually got to a temperature that cooked the pizza really nice and put some char in it. And there's really not putting off a lot of heat on the sides, which is kind of cool. It was hot and fast enough where it didn't like ruin the cheese or didn't like make it too dry or anything like that. Like it was still like tender and crisp. So yeah. So when you put the pizza on the bottom stone, it kind of drops down when the door's open, and then when you close the door, it lifts back up to the heating coil, which I think is a great idea. You know, it kind of gives you good bottom and good top heat, very compressed, so you're not losing any heat and you're getting a good cook time. We like to really char our pizzas pretty hard, sort of like the way it's done in New Haven. I didn't think it would get that kind of char that you get from, like, you know, blasting whatever, but it did. Emily the Cookbook, it's coming out on October 16th. You know, hopefully that, you know, people can get inspired by some interesting new idea. Our cookbook has a lot of fun new stuff in there. We're trying to do things where it's just like, we're just using pizza as a blank slate, and we're just trying to put all kinds of, you know, delicious things and not traditional at all. It can be whatever it wants to be, you know. The dough is just, it looks like a plate, right? So put on the plate what you want to put on it. And if it tastes good, it tastes good, you know. It's a great machine for this size. I'm very surprised and very happy about it too.